Highly evolved technology consists of sophisticated and powerful components. Typically, technology development is accompanied by an expensive and time-consuming process. Not at Hartmann Electronic. With over 40 years of experience, we are one of the main suppliers of embedded system platforms, headquartered in Stuttgart, Germany. As a former producer of printed circuit boards, we are one of the first companies in Germany to use press-fit technology for the production of backplanes. We have been cooperating closely for many years with our former sister company Wiener Power Electronics, based in Borscheid, an expert in the field of high-performance power supplies. Today we are working together even more closely as one company to offer our customers market-driven systems and solutions. From legacy standards to individual customized solutions. From rugged chassis to the development of complete solutions for specific computer systems, our product range is as broad as our clients' needs. As part of Kontron, a global leader in embedded computing technology, we combine the advantages of an agile company with those of a well-financed major corporation. This includes worldwide offices, fixed contact partners, as well as the certainty that we will still be there for you in the decades to come. The complete development, production and testing is carried out in-house. The individual production steps can therefore be designed in a highly flexible manner. The high level of automation enables us to manufacture cost-effectively to the advanced quality and current standards. Your requirements and needs are our priority, which is why we offer production even in the smallest quantities. Looking for a fast and individual solution? Then contact us today and receive a development draft from our experts within a timely manner.